Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you something called stock sectors indicator, and I think it's pretty powerful, okay, because you can see what is going on to the whole market instead of just looking at a single symbol. So for example, I can choose a sector, and I can choose a specific sector from it's currently programmed to work with the S&P 500, but since I do provide source code and I do provide code review, you can actually code in any sector you like and any indicator you like as well. So here you can see a choice of 11 standard sectors from S&P 500. You can go for any of them, or you can go for all of them, it doesn't matter. And then you can go for, well, this is just an up down values count. So if a bar for that specific day closed up, we count it as an up value, and vice versa for down value. This is same in percentages, and this is U vol D vol. So if a bar closes up, we count that volume as up volume, and we sum up volume for up stocks and down stocks in a specific sector or all sectors as you choose above in the display sector parameter. So for example, if I go for U vol D vol in IT, it will go through about, I think, 90 symbols, okay, in the IT sector, and you can see for each day the up volume and the down volume for every single bar there, okay. Now, as you can see, you can get really creative with this. You can extend it with different indicators, okay. It's no limit, you can measure whatever you like, okay. The hardest thing was to actually subdivide it into sectors and to make it possible to apply calculations to a specific sector and specific symbol and collect that data all together, okay. So this framework is now available as source code with review, or if you just want to use it as is, that's also possible. Just download it, import, and go for it. Thank you.